Hello everybody, today I want to show you this TCP spring lamp, 60 watt equivalent, 13 watt CFL light bulb. It says, light output is 900 lumens, it uses 13 watts of energy, it has a lifespan of 12,000 hours, rated best in quality. It seems these TCP CFLs seem to be okay. They're obviously CFLs, so yeah, well, and they're obviously instant start integrated CFLs, which don't really last too long, but they last a decent amount of time. Better than cheap Chinese eBay LEDs, even though this was made in China, but it's better than those eBay LEDs. So, rated best in quality, 900 lumens, $1.57 estimated energy cost per year. Hang on, let me look off camera. Oh, and there's some more information right there if you want to read it. And so let's take a look inside. It's just a box. What more could you ask for, really? I mean, if you're watching some kid unbox a light bulb, what are you might want to see what you're doing with your life, but and speak to a therapist. But those who are still here can actually watch me power this on. Now this was an LED. Actually, no, this was brand new. It was part of like one of those Duke Energy, like energy efficiency kits. Now watch, and we'll turn it on. Oh, not too mercury starved. Not as bad as some of the other CFLs I've opened on this channel. It's not nearly as bad as them, because those are some pretty bad ones. But anyways, see, we can see it is warming up, if it'll focus. And yeah, there we go. They're the cathodes, obviously brand new, and it's not fully warmed up because we don't have time, obviously, but it lights up the room pretty decently, even though it's not really warmed up. So it definitely feels like 60 watt light. It definitely is the brightness of a 60 watt light bulb. Actually, do we have a 60 watt light bulb here to compare it with? We probably do, but I don't really have time once again. Well, anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.